Do you wonder what your face shape is? Are you wondering, how do I highlight and contour? Hola hermosas, this is Hummingbird, back with another video as you guys requested a how to contour and highlight video. So let's get started. I'm going to show you different face shapes. And I'm going to show you how to contour your face according to your face shape using these 3 products: contour stick, concealer, and powder, sculpting face powder, okay? Whenever you're going to contour, you have to focus on the widest areas of your face. Is it the forehead? Is it the temples? Is it the cheekbone area? Is it your jawline? Or is it all round? I like to take a black and white photo and then look at the white parts and look at the shaded dark gray parts. That is what highlight and contour is. Highlight is to bring out and contour is to bring back, pull in, soften. I apply the contour and the highlight in a very dramatic way so that you can see the difference, because I don't have all the different face shapes. This is just a guide. There's no rules in makeup. You can do whatever you want. You guys know Hummingbird Bow is about you doing you for you. I hope you guys like this mini highlight and contour tutorial. And as always, please kiss the like button, turn on your notifications, and subscribe. may not fall within one of these face shape categories, you could actually be in between two of them. Let me know in the comment section what your face shape is and what you want to see next. I'm a makeup artist and a beauty influencer with Pharmacy, a company that sells non-toxic, eco-friendly, and animal cruelty-free products. That is my best part because I'm a fur mama. I will be linking all the products that I used in the description box. If you'd like to support me and my family, then go ahead and click the link and it'll take you directly to where you can find these amazing products in my website, www.hummingbirdbowmakeup.com. Did you watch my New Year's Eve makeup look? Meanwhile, I work on my next how-to video. I'll leave it here for you guys so you can check it out. My birthday is almost coming up. Yay! If you want to give me a birthday present, the best thing that you can do is subscribe. That would be the best gift ever. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Okay, I got all dirty. I will be making a makeup brush tutorial. If your birthday, this is just a guide to accentuate your natural, babe. Don't forget to turn on your I'm recording.